Namaste. Myself, JVN Dr. Priya Pillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jyoti Vidyapith, Jaipur. Today, I am going to deal with on the topic different Pindasveda procedures. First one is Patra Pindasveda. It is a Svedana done by heated bolus bags containing leaves of medicinal plants. It is a Snigdha Ruksha Sveda. It can be done Ekanga or Sarvanga. According to Charaga, it is Ankara Sveda, and according to Sustrada and Vagbata, they told it as Ushma Sveda. Patra Bhangena Cheda Samuhena. It is told by Arunadatta. The word Patra Potali is derived from two words. Patra means leaves and Potali means bundle. Patra Potali Sveda refers to the sudation performed by specially prepared bundle of medicinal leaves that is generally Vada Kapahara, and it is a form of Ushma Sveda. Indication: Kadishula, Sandhigraha, Amavada, Sandhivada, muscular cramps, neurological condition, Gridrasi, Pakshakhada, Andhravritti, Udavarta, Sarvangavada, and Parshvashula. Materials required: leaves chopped into pieces 1 kg, that is Vadahara Patra like Shiguru, Dirgundi, Arka, Eranda, etc. can be taken. Grated coconut 100 grams, sliced lemon 2 to 4 in number, cotton cloth 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter 4 pieces, tacks 4, vessels for frying leaves and for heating pottery 2, oil for frying leaves 100 ml, for heating pottery 200 ml, for abhyanga 100 ml, and for talam 110 ml. Rasnadi Churna 5 grams, Haridra Churna 25 grams, Shatapushpa Churna 25 grams, Towel 2, Macias 2, Attendant 1, Saindava Levana 5 to 10 grams. Different medicinal powders can be added if necessary. Procedure: first one is Purvakarma. In that, preparation of potali. The fresh leaves should be washed in water and chopped into small pieces. First, place frying pan in mandakni after adding oil. Then add slices of lemon and fry. Slightly add scraped coconut along with saindava. When turns brown, add churnas. Mix properly. Then add thicker leaves first and then thinner leaves later. When fried well, it should be divided into 4 equal parts and made into potalis. Average weight of the standard potali is 300 to 350 grams. Preparation of patient. The patient should be seated with legs extended over the droni, facing to the east. Abhyanga should be performed with prescribed medicated oil all over the body for about 10 minutes. Talam with suitable oil or churna should be applied. Pradhana and Paschat Karma. Pradhana Karma includes the prepared pottery should be heated with suitable oil in an iron pan up to 42 to 46 degrees Celsius. It should be applied after checking the temperature in a dorsal aspect of the palm throughout the body with mild pressure in 7 prescribed positions by 2 attendants standing on both sides of the droni. Care should be taken to maintain the temperature throughout the procedure by reheating the potalis. Post-operative procedure, that is Paschat Karma. Wipe off the oil from the body using clean dry towel. Body is covered with thick blanket for 10 to 15 minutes and should stay in Nivada Graha. Remove talam and apply Rasnadi Churna. Patient should be advised to take hot water bath after half an hour depending on disease. Duration and precautions. Duration 45 minutes to 1 hour. Precautions. Care should be taken to prevent charring while frying leaves and also while reheating the potalis. Every time, the therapist should ensure the temperature of the potali by placing it over their own bosom of hand and also inquire the patient whether the temperature is bearable. And if the patient feels any discomfort or attains good perspiration at any time during the treatment, the therapy should be stopped. The ideal time is between 7 to 11 a.m. and 3 to 6 p.m. Complications and management. Complications include burns, that is Daktavrana. Apply Madhu and Krita, especially Shadathauda Krita. Second one is fainting, that is Murcha. Sprinkle cold water over face. Put talam with Taila and Churna. Pana of Drakshadi Kashaya. Next is skin rashes. It is a common upadrava observed in hairy individuals due to excess friction. So castor oil can be used along with Nimba to reduce friction or apply Madhu and Ghrda. Next one is Jambira Pindasveda. The Jambira Pindasveda is performed with the bolus of Jambira fruit pieces and other drugs. Snigdha Sveda, Sagni Sveda can done Ekanga or Sarvanga. This is mainly applied in Vata Kapha predominant conditions. It is usually done in frozen shoulder, plantar fasciitis, and traumatic conditions. Also can do in Amavada, Sandhivada, muscular cramps, Manya Stampa, stiffness of joints, Shofa, and Ama conditions. It is Swafahara, Ruksha, and Tikshna in nature. It is contraindicated in Vada Paithika conditions. Materials required: Jembira, chopped into pieces 750 grams, Saidava 8 grams, scraped coconut 100 grams, turmeric powder that is Haridra Chuna 35 grams, Mithika 35 grams, Chadaho 35 grams, Leshuna 2 bulbs. Cotton cloth 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter, 4 threads 4, that is quantity sufficient. Vessel for heating 2. Suitable oil for talam 10 ml, Rasnadi churna 5 grams. Suitable oil for adhyanka 100 ml. Oil for reheating the potali quantity sufficient. Soft towel 2, massage 2, attendant 1. Procedure: first one is Purvakarma. Preparation of pottery. First fry fully matured lemon after cutting into small pieces along with Saindava in a vessel containing appropriate quantity of oil kept over mandakni. Then add coconut and garlic and fry till it become brown color. And then thrust of the tunas and fry properly, and afterwards taken out from the stove and divided it into 4 equal parts, and potalis are made accordingly. Next, preparation of patient. The patient should be seated with legs extended over the droni, and tala is applied with suitable oil or churna. Abhyanga should be done to the prescribed part with indicated oil. Pradhana and Paschat Karma procedure. Abhyanga should be performed with suitable medicated oil. Out of the 4 potalis, the 2 potalis should be heated up to 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius by keeping on the hot pan containing suitable oil. This pottery should be applied to the patient as per the general procedure for about 30 to 45 minutes. Postoperative procedure. After the procedure, body should be wiped with clean towel. Talam should be removed and Rasnadi Churna should be applied. The patient should be advised to take complete rest for half to 1 hour. Precautions. While preparing the medicine, care should be taken to prevent charring. Tie the potalis firmly to avoid leaking of the contents during the procedure. Therapists on either side should apply the bolus simultaneously in a synchronized manner. Next is Churnapinda Sweda. Churnapinda Sweda is one among the Ushma Sweda. It is done with bolus of various churnas. Usually Mediga, Sarshaba, Shadapushpa, Jedamamsi, Adasi, etc. are used. It can be done as Snigdha or Ruksha according to the condition. In Snigdha Pindasveda, oil is applied over the body as well as the potalis are heated in oil. The potalis can be heated by the steam of boiling Dravativya like Dhanyamla in specific conditions. It is nothing but Rukshana procedure in Vata Kaphaja condition and can be done Ekanka or Sarvanka. Materials required: suitable tuna, coarse or fine 1 kg, cotton cloth 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter 4, tax for vessels of iron 2, Rasnadi tuna 5 grams, towel 1, medicated snarna tuna quantity sufficient, macias 2, attendant 1, and if thyla is used 500 ml, if dravadravya is used then it should be 1 liter. Procedure. This is a fermentation procedure with medicated churna which is made into bolus with cotton cloth. This is mainly used to reduce body weight and removing excess fat. Purva karma. The powder should be fried in a vessel till it attain a golden brown color. It should be divided into 4 equal parts and tied into 4 potali. Patient should be seated on the table or throne, and Rasnadi churna should be applied on the head. Other talams like Navanida and Bela, Amalaki and Takra, etc. should be considered according to the condition. Pradhana Karma. The hot potali should be gently applied over the body after confirming the temperature by applying potalis on dorsum of the hand of the therapist. Just pressing the body with potali should be done. No need of kneading and massaging with potali. Both potalis are used alternately after reheating to maintain uniform temperature throughout the procedure. Reheating is done either by keeping potalis in vessel or by stream of dhanyamla or water. Same potalis can be used for 3 days. For whole body, it should be done for about 30 to 45 minutes in 7 position as in Kaya Sega. It can be applied locally also. Samyak spindle Lakshana must be looked for. Pasyat Karma. After the procedure, Tala should be removed with cotton and Rasnadi Churna should be applied over the murtha. The patient should take complete rest for at least half an hour and should take bath in hot water if indicated for Roga. Duration 45 minutes to 1 hour for 7 to 21 days. Thank you. These are the assignments. Write Patrapinda Sveda in detail with order of its preparation with detail. Which of the following is contraindicated in Chidrodra? Tailapana, Videjana, Vamana, Svedana. It is asked for Banaras Hindu University exam 2007. Thank you.